Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an E-mini trading recap for the 31st of July, Thursday, and today was an interesting day in the markets. We had a little gap down here and some chop pretty much almost the entire first hour, and then we saw a little bit of a breakdown and then it became sideways again and another little move lower into lunchtime. Today was one of those days. It was a little different and a little difficult to read from my standpoint in real time. Obviously, hindsight's always 20/20. And one thing that I do see traders getting involved in is that hindsight. Man, I should have done this. Man, I should have done that. That woulda, coulda, shoulda. That's what's really going to get you killed. It's going to make your P&L look rather ugly if you let that control you. And it's something that you really do have to be aware of as traders. So let's get into what we actually did. We got our first order short over here, and we were able to take some profit on it as the market did move lower. And then we kind of watched things a little bit. And as this moved up, what we did was we tried to get long on a pullback, and the market came down and stopped us out. And after it did that, we kind of watched things. It just went sideways and then finally went lower and then sideways again. Didn't really see much, and that's one thing I always talk about is never forcing a trade. That's something that I do feel is very, very important. The normal thing to do is when a trade goes against you and stops you out is to immediately try to make that up. And we hear a lot about women traders versus men traders. I don't know the actual stats because I've never actually looked into that. Mainly because I don't really care. If I'm working with somebody as a coach, I want to know about them in particular. Knowing about their sex, male or female, isn't really going to help that much. It's really them as an individual. Trading is very, very individualistic, and one person's problem may not be another person's problem. And I don't like the word problem either. You've probably heard, from watching my videos, I don't like a lot of words. But it is what it is, and that's how we label it in society. But anyway, it is an issue. Being able to, once a trade goes against you, being able to think objectively and look at the market. Do I see anything else? Do I see a setup? Do I not see a setup? That's actually difficult to learn. It really is. Some people are going to be better at it than others, depending on how much baggage they bring into trading. But it's something that we have to live with. It's something that is normal. And as you learn more about how to become a better trader, it's something that is easily fixed, but easy and quick are not necessarily the same thing. Those things are definitely different. So anyway, hopefully that made sense to you. You got something out of what I was talking about. You can always leave comments below. Thanks for watching. Have an excellent rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.